India's biggest listed broadcaster, Zee Entertainment-Enterprises, has signed a non-binding agreement to merge with Sony Pictures Networks India, a unit of Japan's Sony Corporation. The development comes close on the heels of Zee's top shareholders flagging corporate governance issues and seeking the removal of CEO Punit Goenka from the company's board. According to the deal terms, about 53% of the merged company will be owned by the promoters of Sony Pictures and 47% by Zee shareholders. Zee's promoter family is free to increase its shareholding from about 4% to 20% in the future. It is interesting to note that Goenka has been tasked with running the merged company for 5 years. Zee Entertainment had a net profit of 793 crore rupees in 2020-21 on a revenue of 7,730 crore rupees. By comparison, Sony Pictures had reported a net profit of 582 crore rupees on a revenue of 5,721 crore rupees. Will this deal get the support of Zee shareholders who had recently sought Goenka's removal? That remains to be seen. But markets cheered the deal as the shares of Zee Entertainment were logged in a 25% upper circuit following the announcement on September 22. This gave the company a market value of Rs 30,000 crore. Earlier, Sony Pictures had acquired Zee's sports broadcast business under the 10 Sports brand in 2016 for $385 million in cash. This merger may fend off investors' attempt to oust Goenka as they assess if the benefits of this deal outweigh their corporate governance concerns, which were also raised by prominent proxy advisory firms. The main investors that had sought Goenka's removal were Invesco Developing Markets Fund and OFI Global China Fund. Their combined shareholding in the company is 17.9%. Sony will also infuse growth capital as part of the merger and will have the right to nominate a majority of the board members. Analysts have said the deal can result in significant re-rating in the stock going ahead. Zee and Sony now have 90 days to conduct due diligence and finalize definitive agreements before seeking shareholder approval. The combined entity after the Zee-Sony merger will control 75 TV channels, 2 streaming services, ZEE5 and Sony Live, and 2 film studios besides 1 digital content studio. Now, will this merger put to rest the Zee investors' corporate governance concerns and enable a fresh start for the broadcaster under new ownership? We must wait for shareholders' vote.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.